Welcome, superhero lovers. Superheroes can fly by using their supernatural power. Some superheroes can fly a long time, or some can make a long jump fly. Do you ever want to go on a helicopter trip? Helicopters fly using fuel by the engine, which is operated by a pilot. And how would you feel if superheroes were helicopters? Today, I'm going to show you all superheroes as helicopter versions. Comment in the comment section which superhero version of helicopter is your favorite. The earliest references for vertical flight come from China, since around 400 BC. In the 18th and 19th centuries, Western scientists developed flying machines based on Chinese toy. In 1942, the Sikorsky R-4 became the first helicopter to reach full-scale production. So let's enjoy superheroes if they were a helicopter version in this video.
If you are a new visitor in my channel, or if you like this video, please leave a like down below and subscribe to my channel for the next video. Let us know in the comment box what you want to see in the next video. Thanks for watching. Hope to see you soon.